Today we're going to bring two solar lights, and these are a lot smaller, but they're bright. They're super powerful. They're going to last a couple hours in usage. So we're going to put them together side by side. We're going to put them somewhere in between this area here that I'm going to record. During the night, we're going to come back and test them out and see how well they work. So small, petite, lots of lumens, sensors, off and on button, simple, and the controllers. All right, what's included? They give you the actual controller, including with the batteries and the screws that actually line up the actual base, right? And it's easy. All you got to put in this tube in here, and they also give you a mount for in case you want to put it on the pole system. All right, I liked it, but you can also use this as a template to line it up and center it up, because the pole matches the actual system itself, and this is how it grabs onto a pole. But we're not going to do a pole today. We're going to do a piece of wood today. Much easier. So they give you mounts, the screws for if you have concrete or wood, plus the wrench itself. So it's all included in there. I'm going to put the pair together and see how beautiful they look at night. So if you guys can see, this is my backyard. There's no light here. We're gonna go all the way to this side here, and we're gonna illuminate this whole system, this whole backyard here. So let's go ahead and get our lights set up. All right, guys, we got the motion sensor here. As soon as I moved, but look at this one. Look at my light. It's so bright over there. It's giving a lot of light in here. Two lights. I set up one here and one on this side. It's lighting up the whole thing. As soon as you move closer, the sensor actually reacts real good. The controller is very simple to use. Real small lights, but they're very powerful. Off, complete darkness here. Look at that one over there, it's real bright. Turn back on. As soon as you turn everything off and no movement, as soon as you walk on, it will automatically turn on brighter. So let me walk forward so it can turn on.